Now, there are a lot of system integrators out there, and you probably haven't heard of Zodiac Labs, but they've been outfitting collegiate esports arenas across the nation for years. But now Zodiac Labs wants to start selling these esports capable machines to you on the internet. You could pick one of these up. So let's go through the systems that I have in front of me here and talk about why Zodiac Labs might be a little different than other system integrators out there. So in this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about Zodiac Labs, what makes them different from other SIs, and also show off a couple systems that they sent me. This is their high-level Vortex system, and this is their entry-level Astra system. Now, all of their systems are built here in the United States of America, Kansas specifically. And they are using all off-the-shelf parts, so nothing proprietary here. If you want to upgrade to your heart's content down the line, you can do that. Now, before we dig into the systems, I do want to point out that this video is sponsored by Zodiac Labs. And what that means is that they asked us to raise awareness of what they're doing with our community and kind of point out the differences compared to other system integrators out there. But all opinions are my own. So now let's look at some awesome hardware. And let's start off with the entry-level system in their lineup called the Astra. You can see this is built in an NZXT case, very sleek, very nice. And the configuration as it is here is a Ryzen 5 7600X, which is a good 6-core chip, paired with an Intel Arc B580 Sparkle Edition, which is a great entry-level GPU. They do have other configurations available in this system, and I will point out that things are constantly changing. Zodiac Labs tells me that the current economic situation is making things hard, and so the lineup is always going to be kind of fluctuating a little bit. It might not be exactly like they're showing off here today, but they're trying to strive for quality at similar price points and strive for system configurations that make sense for the kind of games that you're going to play. The motherboard's going to be in the B650 range class of motherboards. This one specifically is the Asus TUF variant. It's equipped with 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD inside the motherboard. All in all, it's a clean looking build. And once again, this is all off-the-shelf components that they have on offer here. So if you wanted to upgrade something, then go for it. While this Astra over here offers a nice entry-level system, this Vortex aims at the high end. Inside is equipped with a AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D paired with none other than an Asus GeForce RTX 5090 Astral Edition. So this is one of the best performing 5090s on an air cooler out there today. And you can see it's in the vertical orientation, so you're not going to worry about too much of the actual sag on the card. And it is equipped with a really nice Lian Li strimmer cable, both for the 12-volt 2x6 power connection and the 24-pin motherboard connection. This can be equipped up to 4 terabytes of M.2 NVMe SSD and 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Not only that, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fans in this system, including the 360mm AIO. And not only that, they are the Lian Li variants that have the little screen on here. So this back one has a temperature readout, and the front ones have the Zodiac logo on them. But everything can be configured in the actual software itself. The motherboard is also a high-end X870E. This particular variant is an ASRock Taichi. And once again, all off-the-shelf parts, so later down the road, if you want to upgrade the system, you can go for it. So all in all, Zodiac Labs offers 4 different lines that you can go in and configure to your heart's content. And they do offer a 2-year warranty on all of those versions, not just the high-end one, which is nice. And I have to point it out again, your configuration might not be the exact same one they have offer here. Like everybody else, they're riding the waves of the economic climate right now, but they are trying to get you the best possible hardware for the price, but things are rapidly evolving in the situation. So it might be different than what you're seeing here. Now, these are really nice systems, but what I think sets Zodiac Labs apart from other system integrators out there is their history. When I learned about their backstory of outfitting collegiate esports arenas at colleges and universities around the nation, I felt that was something kind of unique, that they know this space, they already have the production capacity in Kansas to deliver rigs across the nation, and now they're offering these same kind of rigs to you at home, which I think is very unique in this space. And in fact, Zodiac Labs was built by the founders of Esports Supply, the very people who build the arenas for collegiate esports across the nation. So they have a very rich and deep history. But I want to hear from you. Do you like what Zodiac Labs is offering here? Have you heard of Zodiac Labs? Have you heard of Esports Supply? Have you actually gamed on one of their systems when you went to college? I know when I went to college, which was many years ago, esports wasn't really a thing. So I'm curious to hear if you have experience with systems like this. If you're interested in picking up one of these systems or checking out the configuration options, hit the link in the description below. And while you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out more PC hardware videos like this one. Until then, we'll catch you next time.